Hey, how we doing today? I'm gonna go over some things just picked up. First, I got these from a neighbor. A whole bunch of farrier nippers here. They're all obvious. That one's gonna move. I got here. This will help. This is a little bit of 50-50 acetone and automatic transmission fluid. We'll get these soaking and we can get these cleaned up. This one's really dirty. Don't know. It's probably scrap. These are probably scrap. Got the thumb oiler though. I keep the cork on it just to keep that acetone from evaporating as fast. Some of these, they are marked, but I don't have. Can't read that one. There we go. That one, there's a mark there. We'll get these cleaned up eventually. And yes, marked US, but it's not going anywhere. This one's marked. This is the Heller. You see that? It's marked Heller, and it's stuck. That one's gonna go. That one's gonna go. That one's not gonna go. We'll just let those soak, play with them. And this morning I went to a estate sale. Today's the last day, it's 50% off. I picked up this oiler here. This oiler here. I'm gonna play with them, see if they work. This is a Vaughn shingling axe hatchet. It's a modern one. It says wear safety goggles. There you go. Be safe. Picked up a couple scrapers, a husky, and a hide. They come useful. An angle gauge, angle finder. It's a made in USA. I got a whole bunch of scrap iron. This plate here, got some nice size stock here. Don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but for that there, I paid $15, so I don't think I'm hurt. Anyway, thanks for watching.